Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to learn how to sell some crypto art. But what is crypto art? Crypto art is an emerging trend whereby artists can earn money selling digital versions of their creative work. And you could think of it like Bitcoin for art. All transactions are recorded on a digital ledger called a blockchain, and a non-fungible token, or an NFT, acts as a digital signature to verify proof of ownership. In other words, digital art can now be purchased and verifiably owned in the same way that physical art can be purchased and owned in the real world. And for this tutorial, we're going to be using Rarible and Metamask. So let's get started. Rightio, so we're going to start by going to metamask.io and downloading the Chrome extension. Now you can get this for iOS and Android, but I'm going to go with Chrome for this tutorial. Select Install, click Add to Chrome, click Add Extension. Enjoy the fox as he follows your mouse cursor, and then create a wallet. Choose your preferences, and then create a password and complete the setup of your digital wallet. I'm going to relink my existing wallet by entering my seed phrase and my password. Keep these safe because you will need them. You can now pin the Metamask extension to your browser for quick access, and if you click the icon, you can view your balance or buy and sell cryptocurrency. Let's close the tabs we no longer need, and then switch over to Rarible. You can now select Connect Wallet and then select Metamask from the list. Coinbase is there too, but somehow I didn't see this. But anyway, once the pop-up appears, you can connect your Metamask wallet to Rarible. Once you've connected your account, you can go to Edit Profile and you can give yourself a display name or upload a picture of your face. You can also go to My Items to view all of your collectibles that are for sale and click on a collectible for more information. So to start selling, go up to Create, select Single for a one-off sale or multiple if you would like to resell an item multiple times. Upload your file. For this example I have a PNG, but you can upload MP4 or MP3 as well. You can add an instant sale price, so we'll go 0.0002 Ethereum. Nice and cheap. You can also enable the option to automatically unlock the file upon purchase, and I'm going to keep this as part of the Rarible collection. Next, give your collectible a suitable name and description, and you can also enter the royalty percentage for every subsequent sale of your collectible. You can also enter any other properties like size, and when you're happy, click Create Item. Now I don't have enough of the Ethereum cryptocurrency to pay the gas fee and to mint the token, so I'm going to switch over to Coinbase where I do have a digital wallet. I'm all set up so I can go and quickly buy some Ethereum and then send this over to Metamask. However, you can purchase cryptocurrency directly from within Metamask using a credit or debit card. So if you don't have another wallet elsewhere, this may be a lot easier. Okay, so the payment's processing, and there we go, all good. Now I can go back to Metamask. I'm going to reject that transaction and navigate up to where my account is listed and click on this long string of numbers and letters. That will copy it to the clipboard, and I can now send the Ethereum that I just purchased to this account. So I'm going to select Ethereum and choose Send All £47, and then paste that long string of letters and numbers into the To field and add an optional message. Click Continue and review the transaction and any fees. And when you're happy, click Send Now. Complete any extra security to proceed and click Confirm. Enjoy the bouncing dots and then wait for confirmation to pop up. And then I'm going to switch back to Rarible and open up Metamask and just wait for that currency to arrive. And there we go. So now I can go back to try again. And hopefully now we have a sufficient balance to pay the gas fee and to mint the token. Click Confirm. Click Start. Review the information and click Sign. And once this is done, you can refresh your profile and you'll see your new collectible listed. You can click this for a larger preview and you get a few options on the right. So you can change the price, remove from sale, or burn the token entirely. So I'm going to go to Cancel Sale and Remove from Sale. Wait, you have to pay again. What the f?